Hello students, welcome. Dear students, today we are going to start geometry subjects chapter, that is symmetry. Okay. Now what is symmetry? Symmetry. Symmetry means similar or one part exactly like the other. For example, if we cut an apple uh, through the center, then apple having two equal parts, isn't it? Then like this page, this is a rectangular page. Okay, if I fold in between or center, then see these both edges are match. Okay, so now here we got one line. Okay, when we fold this, so this is the example of symmetry. Means symmetry means, now see, if here one page, when this two I fold, they exactly match and become one. So symmetry means similar or one part exactly like the other. One part exactly like the other means both are matching together. When they overlap, okay, so they match together. In your freehand design, in your art also, you draw freehand design, that also half and half. So the both are, if you match, then they are matched together exactly. Okay, so this is a symmetry. Now when I fold this, here we got one line, folded line. So this is a axis of symmetry. Now this is a rectangular page. Okay, so if I fold from this way also, see here also means vertically and horizontally, so this also match. So this is also, from here also, axis of symmetry. So now this rectangular shape having two axes of symmetry, axis and axis, plural is axis, so one vertical and one horizontal. Okay, now there are some points here. First is symmetrical figure. Just I told you the example of apple and this page also. A figure which is identical on either side of the central fold. It is identical from the central fold. If we fold the figure, for example, see our human body also. If we cut from here, then our body parts are equally same. So we have our means humans also example of symmetrical figure. Okay, when you become doctor, that time you have to do this. Now axis of symmetry, just I explain you the definition is the line which gives two equal parts of the figure. If any figure, so here look here also, this is a shape of eye. So if I fold this eye, okay, vertically, so it matches equally. So this, the line which gives two equal parts, so this line gives two equal parts of this eye. So this is the axis of symmetry. And if I fold from this way also, this is vertical and this is horizontally, then this also totally match, these eyes totally match each other. And this line, when I fold the figure, or the line which gives two equal parts, so this is giving two equal parts, this line this is also axis of symmetry. Okay, now reflective symmetry. Reflection, you know, when you saw in mirror your image, so you saw your reflection. Now a symmetrical figure which gets divided by an axis in the figure into parts which fall exactly on each other. Just I explain you, student, this one. If I fold this, then these parts are exactly on each other, fall on exactly on us. Okay, so this is a reflective symmetry, a symmetrical figure which gets divided by an axis. So here the page, this is the axis. When I fold, this is the axis, gets divided by an axis in the figure into parts, fall exactly on each other. Okay, so you got the idea of symmetry, student. Now here in your practice set number 20, question 1 is draw the axis of symmetry. Axis singular and plural means many axes, single axis. Axis of symmetry of each of the figure below, which of them has more than one axis of symmetry. Okay, let's see this. Now there are 4 figures in the question. Okay, so just I draw one. This is a equilateral triangle, means all sides are same. Now they say draw the axis of symmetry of each of the figure below, which of them has more than one axis of symmetry. Okay, so that you have to mention. Now just second example I will here, that is a triangle. Now see how can we draw. Now if we fold this way, okay, this way also, then because this is equilateral triangle, all sides or all arms are same. So if I fold, then also it got the axis of symmetry like this way also. I make equal parts, equal 2 parts. Okay, if I fold from this side like this, there also we get the axis of symmetry, and this way also. So this triangle is equilateral triangle, that's why we got 3 axes of symmetry here. Okay, like that remaining figures you have to draw, and they said which of them has more than one axis of symmetry. So here total 3 axes of symmetry. So you have to write figure second. You have to draw. See, first write the question practice set 20, then question, then draw first figure, draw the axis of symmetry. Okay. See, the first figure is you can I'm not going to tell you, but see there how we have to fold, and then how many axis of symmetry we got. So the second, then draw the second figure, draw the axis of symmetry with pencil. Figure also you have to draw with pencil, and then below that write down figure second has more than one axis of symmetry. Okay, then third, then fourth, like that. This way you have to solve the question number 1. Now this purposely I kept here I this. So this is this I letter having 2 axes of symmetry. One is vertical and one is horizontal. Okay. Now the second question, student, write the capital letters of the English alphabets in your notebook A to Z. Try to draw their axis of symmetry. Which ones have an axis of symmetry, and means one axis of symmetry, and which ones have more than the axis of symmetry, that is axis, AXES, axis of symmetry you have to write. Okay, now students, what you have to do in your notebook, I think 1, 2, 3 lines are enough. Draw the capital, write the capital letters A, then leave some space, B, C, D up to Z. Is it? Now you have to draw the axis of symmetry. Now if you see A, then this only one line of symmetry, isn't it? Yes, check. B, if we cut vertically, is it possible? No. Horizontally if we fold, then B got the symmetry, and we got the axis of symmetry. Okay. C, that also like this. So you have to draw on one page, means 3 lines you have to draw at minimum 4, that is enough. 4, 4, 4, 4 like that, and draw the axis of symmetry. And at last, after drawing the axis of symmetry, axis of symmetry, because some letters having axis of symmetry means more than one axis. So you have to write again. First write A to Z, draw all the axis or axis of symmetry, and then again you have to write one axis which one having the more of a symmetry? One axis symmetry. Then you have to write the letters which having one like A. Okay. Then whatever that A, B, then axis of symmetry. Axis, or you can write once have more than here instead of this you have to write more than one axis of symmetry. So there are some letters like if we draw O, here we can draw many axes of symmetry. Okay, like this you have to write at last. First question, then all the alphabets, draw the axis of symmetry on that alphabet. Okay, and then at last you have to write one axis symmetry and axis of symmetry, or more than one axis of symmetry. Like this we have to solve now. Now see question, students, here question number 3. Use color, a thread and a folded paper to draw symmetrical shape. So third and fourth students, let it be, don't do this because this is a practical work, and maybe I'll give for you in the form of project. So third and fourth don't do. And practice set number 21 also. If you see the practice set number 21, the question is, along each figure shown below, a line L has been drawn. Complete the symmetrical figure by drawing the figures on the other side such that the line L becomes line of symmetry. So here 3 figures are given, the line is given. So same figures you have to copy. Okay, means you have to draw there like that freehand design or what. Okay, same we have to draw. But here also this practice set also maybe I will give for project, because here you need the graph paper. Okay, so don't do this practice set number 21. From practice set number 20 only you have to solve question number 1 and 2. 3, 4 also for practical ones, that don't do. Okay, I hope you understood, students. If any doubt, try to solve. Okay, if you are solving that, trying to solve that, you have only one step or whatever the according to that example. If you're not possible to draw, or if you are tired that you don't no idea how to solve, then take a photo and send me on WhatsApp. Okay, my WhatsApp number. Okay, now students, you have to complete your notebook. Today up to means till date you have to complete your notebook. Before this the bar graph, practice set number 18. Okay, so bar graph chapter also you have to draw. Whatever the given examples, means the bar graphs total I think 8 are there, so that also you have to draw, but that is in on graph paper, or you buy one notebook, graph notebook. Sorry, graph notebook is there, that is, and small one, not the bigger one, small one, and draw this. Okay, so complete your notebook. Next video will start a new chapter, divisibility. These are very simple chapters, symmetry and that. If you have any doubt, then ask me on WhatsApp. Till there, students, take care. Bye bye.